packed with so much poison that most predators won't touch them. Most of the time. The millipede's toxin won't harm a lemur this size, but it's the ideal insect repellent for getting rid of parasites living in their fur. They're free to roam the rainforest. The lemurs have also discovered a rather strange side effect. A quick bite, and in small doses, and more toxin is released. It appears to be psychoactive. The millipedes are released relatively unscathed. But high in the trees, the lemurs won't be coming down for a while.